Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this short video lecture, I will discuss a house plan in the dimensions of 20 by 20 feet. If you need house planning, structural design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, so you will get a best house planning from my side on paid services, not for free. So this is WhatsApp number. Okay. So the plot size is 20 by 20 feet. Width is also 20 feet. Okay, so its front is to the south direction. Okay, so guys, here in this planning we have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, staircase for first floor, kitchen and living room. Okay, so here this is roadside guys, these are 2 steps for this main entrance. So here guys, this width is 5 feet and 9 inches. Okay, width of this bedroom is 9 feet and 5 inches. Okay, but here its length is 9 feet. So same dimensions for these 2 bedrooms. Here guys, you can see this is the window, this is the other window. For this bedroom, this is other window, this is other window. Okay, and this is its door. You can see guys. Okay, and here you can see this is the other door for this bedroom, right? So the second one guys, you can see this is the bath. You can use for both bedrooms. Size of this bath is, here width is 4 feet and its length is 6 feet. Sorry, 6 feet and 3 inches. Right? The next one, you can see this is the kitchen. Size of this kitchen is here guys. This is 6 feet and 5 inches. 6 feet and 5 inches, and its length is guys, here you can see this is 9 feet. So this is 10 feet and 2 inches. Okay, sorry, clear 10 feet. This is 10 feet because all wall thickness of all walls are 4.5 inches. Okay, all wall and thickness is 4.5 inches. So the next one, you can see this is the stair place. So the width of this stair is 6 feet. Okay, each flight width is 3 feet, right? So you can see the this is up for this. So this is guys living room. Okay, here the length is 10 feet and width is 5 feet and 9 inches. This is 10 feet. Okay, size of this plot is 20 by 20 feet. We have 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, a small living room, bath and staircase for the first floor. Hope this house planning can help you. So if this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.